Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to lock apps on your Google Pixel using the built-in private space feature. This is a great way to keep your sensitive apps secure and protected from prying eyes. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your device settings. You can do this by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon, or by finding the Settings app in your app drawer. Once you're in Settings, scroll down through the various options until you locate Security and Privacy. This section houses all the important security features for your Pixel device, including the private space functionality we'll be using today. After you've found it, tap on Security and Privacy to open it up. Inside this menu, look for an option labeled Private Space and click on it. Private Space is Google's solution for creating a separate, secure area on your phone where you can store apps that you want to keep private or locked away from others who might use your device. When you tap on Private Space, your device will prompt you to input your device password. This is an important security step that ensures only you can set up and access this protected area. Go ahead and enter your password to proceed with the setup process. Once you've entered your password, you'll see a Setup button appear on your screen. Click on this button to begin creating your private space. Now here's where you'll need to be patient. The setup process will begin loading, and depending on your device's performance and your internet connection speed, this could take anywhere from a minute to several minutes. Don't worry if it seems to be taking a while, this is completely normal. The system is securely configuring your private space in the background, so just let it run its course without interrupting it. Once the loading process is complete, navigate back to your home screen. You'll notice something new has appeared at the bottom of your screen, a section labeled Private. This is your gateway to accessing your secure app space. To open it, simply swipe upwards on this private section and it will reveal all the apps currently stored in your private space. Inside your private space, you'll see an Add button that allows you to include apps you want to lock. Tap on this button and select any apps from your device that you'd like to move into this secure area. Once you've added apps, you can click on any of them to open and use them normally within the private space. When you're finished using your private apps, simply swipe the private section downwards. You'll then see a lock option appear. Click on Lock to secure your private space again, and all the apps inside will be protected and inaccessible without your password. And that's it. Your sensitive apps are now locked and secured in your Google Pixel's private space. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.